Good morning, student 9 students. 8. Today, the chapter 10, I am going to explain you about the third exercise. Third exercise mainly based on isosceles triangle property. 8. So, what is isosceles triangle property? Say this one. ABC is a triangle in which AB and AC sides are equal. If two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle, then the angle opposite to the equal side will be also equal. Once again, angle opposite to the equal side is also equal. So, since AB and AC are equal, the angle opposite to side AB is C and angle opposite to side AC is B. This angle will be also equal. This is the one of the property. Or reverse you can say, if two angles are equal, then their opposite side will be also equal. If two angles are equal, then their opposite sides will be also equal. Right? Next property, you know this one, the exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle, this is the exterior angle of this triangle, is equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. So opposite angle of this one and this one. These two sum will be equal to the exterior angle. I mean, if this is 60, this is 50, then 60 plus 50, 110. This one. It clear? Third property, in isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, only in these two, isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. This is isosceles. When we draw the altitude, means 90 degree, this altitude will bisect the side as well as bisect the angle also. By congruency property you can prove it. Right? So, in isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle, when you draw the altitude, it will be perpendicular at the base and it bisects the base as well as the vertex angle. This is the vertex angle. From where we are drawing the line, that is the vertex. If we draw the line from here, then B is the vertex. If we draw the line from here, then B is vertex. If we draw the line from C, the C is vertex. Right? This happens only in isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. By congruency, two triangles, when you draw the altitudes, two triangles will form. Prove these two triangles are congruent. The congruent means equal in shape and size. Now, based on this, you have to solve the questions. Mainly, you solve the question in which you have to find the value. 8. Like this first question. P, Q, R, S. This side given equal. This is given 30 degree. You have to find this value x. X value you have to find. This is given 52. 8. So you have to write the steps. What I am saying you, that one, or what do you think that you have to write in the page, copy. In triangle PRS, given PR equal to RS. It is given. Hence, the angle opposite to PR, this is as 30 degree. So, the angle opposite to RS side will be this one. This will be also 30 degree. Get clear? Now, come to this triangle. PRS. So, two angle value magnitude 30, 30, 60. So, what is the value of the third angle? Third angle will be 30, 30, 60 means this is 120. So, total angle, sum of total angle of a triangle is 180. Now, use the exterior angle property. This is the exterior angle for this triangle PQR. A. So, exterior angle will be equal to sum of the opposite interior angle. So, x plus 52 degree is equal to 120 degree. So, x is equal to 120 degree minus 52, that will give x. Do you follow, sir? Next, this one. This is given x degree that we have to find. It is 27. Here also we have to find the x value of x. So I will find. So first you take this triangle. A triangle ABC. DC, or you take triangle DBC first. So angle opposite to DB is this angle. Angle opposite to DC, this is 27. So one of them given 27 means this is also 27 degree. Right. Now, what is the magnitude of this angle? So this is the exterior angle for the triangle DBC. Is it exterior or not? Is it exterior? So this angle is the exterior angle, means ADC is the exterior angle for the triangle DBC. So exterior angle will be equal to sum of the opposite angle. So 27 plus 27, this is 54 degree. 8. Now come to triangle ABC. Angle opposite to BC is this angle here. Angle opposite to AC is this is 54. These two angles will be equal. So if this is given 54, means this is also 54 degree. Now come to triangle ABC. Two angles, sum of two angles is 54 plus 52. What is the third angle? So x plus 54 plus 54, that is equal to 180 degree. Find out x, that will be the value of x. It clear? A, B, C, D. This total angle given x. This is equal single dash. This is given 56 degree. So this angle total angle given x. Not this one, not this one. Now come to triangle ABC. Which side? This side, single dash is given, are equal. So angle opposite to DC is this one, and angle opposite to AC is this one. This will be also equal. Right? So third angle is 56. So 180 minus 56, 124 degree. 124 degree divided by 2, then 62. This is 62. Do you follow? Now, this is the exterior angle for the triangle ABD. 8 exterior angle. Angle ADC, the exterior angle for the triangle ABD. And exterior angle will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior. So, this angle and this angle sum will be equal to 62. Let this angle be y, then this will be also y. So y plus y is equal to 62 degree. So 2y is equal to 62 degree. So y is equal to 31 degree. This is 31 degree. This is also 31 degree. Right. So this much you have to use the property of the isosceles triangle. Two sides are equal, then opposite angle will be equal. If opposite angle are equal, then their opposite side will be equal. Then exterior angle equal to the sum of the opposite interior angle. Right? And when we draw the altitude, then altitude by congruency you can prove it. When you will draw the altitude perpendicular on the side, it bisects the side and it bisects the vertex angle also. So as a homework, don't solve the statement 1, you solve the question in which you have to find the value, like x, y, z. So up to 5, you have to solve the question as a homework. Right? Thank you very much.